Okay. David, what happened? Jonah.
Jonah, he didn't show the way, then he just lied, and then he...
What happened to him?
Then he
What did God say?
To go to Nineveh.
Nineveh?
Yeah.
And did Jonah go?
No.
Why?
Then he went to the boat.
And
pirate boat.
Pirate's boat? Then
Yeah.
what happened?
Then they didn't kill him. Joseph.
Something happened in the water. What happened?
There's a big whale.
Uh-huh. And what?
Then he eat it.
He eat who?
Jonah.
Jonah. Uh-huh. And then?
He didn't show the whale.
What happened when Jonah was inside the whale? What did he do?
Then he went to the water. Then he went to the water down.
What did he do when he's in the whale?
Then he went over down in the whale.
And what was he doing? What was he doing?
Pray for God. Then the cars. Then the cars. And
the cars.
And a tornado.
A tornado.
Tornado.
What are you talking about?
Then the cut.
And what happened?
Is his friend
Did he go to Nineveh?
Yeah.
He did? Was
then
God happy when he went to Nineveh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then he said he hit the man. He like fish. He hit fish.